Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. So today is just a quick one. I noticed something funky on like the Defiance ETF website, and I think it's just SPYT. I think this is because there's a lot of new people coming in. That's why there's like a lag in the data. So let me just show you what I was seeing. So normally, Defiance is pretty good at refreshing their website. Usually like before like the start of the market close, and I noticed something funky. So for on the day of March 27th, like they still didn't update like the net assets section because it's still like data as of March 25th. And then but they like on the bottom section, like the holdings, you'll notice like it looks like the data is as of March 27th. So I thought, oh, okay, so it's probably just like some type of delay. I hope it's not like something more serious, but I think that this is just like a timing issue. So if you notice like on the market value of like the like that column over here, you see if you try to add up like all the like the different assets, like there should be at least like 7.5 million. But meanwhile, if I go back and I look at the net assets, it's like half over here. So I think there's definitely like a serious delay. And I caught this because I was going like kind of like refreshing like the data for like like the weekend summaries, and then I noticed like SPY was like, wait a minute, some days have like $23, and then on the 26th was like, there's no way like their net asset like per share was all the way up to like 28.95. So I thought that was like kind of fishy. And then March 27th, obviously they haven't doubled like their net assets. They're not, the finance isn't that good. So that's when I kind of caught like, oh, it's just like a lag issue. I hope there's nothing more serious. So like as I said, like normally their website is updated before the market open, and hopefully I think people are just taking time off, like for Good Friday, and I guess like maybe like the interns or like the B team or whatever, like they're in charge. So hopefully things will pick back up maybe next week. And thank you for watching. Please consider giving this a like. If you could subscribe as well. I think we're gonna probably fall short of my 1001 goal by March 31st. But maybe by some miracle, maybe people will come through. So far, it's not encouraging, but any help will be greatly appreciated. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone has a good weekend. Bye now.